Here is a demo of how to use offline topo maps in your Android phone. Here we are previewing a topo map from mytopo.com using Backcountry Navigator. First thing you want to do is choose a place where you intend to go on your outdoor adventure. And for me, this might be a place here near Camas, Washington. And you can also look at places that you've chosen in the past or recorded here, so you can access them even when offline. And we see we're centered here on the city of Camas, Washington, and have a lot of area here to explore. And generally I want to make sure that these maps are available when I don't have cell phone coverage and not plan on downloading here on the fly. So what we can do for that is use one of these toolbar buttons. We have one here for Start GPS and Help, but also one here for downloading maps for offline use. And this brings up another set of buttons here, and one of these allow us to mark a rectangle on the screen. We are also allowed to mark multiple rectangles. And don't worry about if they overlap, because it won't get any duplicates when you download. We can push this button again to start a download. Here we're given a chance to select how much detail. 15 here is the maximum for mytopo.com. And begin the download. When we're done adding layers to this download, we can click Done. And that download will continue here in the background. You can see here some progress made. It's a percentage of the number of tiles. And the total number of tiles will actually go down if it finds that it's already downloaded some of the tiles. It doesn't need to do that again. And when it's complete, we'll actually get this notification that map download is complete. And we see we have a little folder here indicating that it's pulling these tiles, maps from an offline location from your storage card. And we can clear out these selections since we don't need them now. And we're back here to the main menu. We can choose to start the GPS if we want to actually start navigating. And we'll do that. That starts, the app will start to listen to your GPS on your phone and your location. This does not require you having cell coverage or cell towers anywhere nearby. So let's start up the GPS, and it's going to be looking here for a fix. So in your location, and also rotating the map according to compass direction on your phone, which we can only simulate here. And you have other options here. While you're navigating, you can mark a waypoint at your current GPS point. You can recenter if you choose to pan around the map. I'll turn the centering off, and you can turn it back on. See this? And you can use this button here to stop recording. Also, if you want to create a waypoint on the map rather than at the GPS location, what you need to do is press and hold, and you'll see a bubble, much like this one, up here, where you can define a new waypoint. And you can give this a name and or description, and you can choose a symbol for it. And you can also choose to go to that location.